Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The Jamaican dollar continues to strengthen. At the end of trading today, $129.62 Jamaican was the cost for each US dollar. It was the lowest price the US currency had sold for since June 6. The price of the Canadian dollar also fell, closing today at $99.45. The pound sterling is going for $167.48, while the euro costs $150.26. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, is reporting that inflation is now at 4.3%. This is the first time inflation has fallen within the Bank of Jamaica's target range for 4 to 6% in the last 6 months. Statin says the upward movement in September was influenced by a 4.6% increase in housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels. This was driven by rate increases in the division. The JSE index gained 3,704 points today, while the junior market index gained 32 points. Stocks posting gains included Berita Investments, Caribbean Cement, Derrimon Trading, Everything Fresh, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, and Iron Rock Insurance. Now on the losing side were Berger Paints, Siboney Group, Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, Kingston Wharves, and Mayberry Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening. Doreen, it's back to you.